Today I'm going to show you how to install Git SCM. For that, first you need to download the Git SCM. For that, you need to go to this site, uh, click to here, and here you see downloads. And here choose Windows operating system. For here, I'm going to use 64-bit Git for Windows setups. Most of you guys have 64-bit operating system, so you can simply use this. But other than that, if you are running for some reason 32-bit systems, right? But I think most of the guys will suit with this one. Click here, you will download. It's just a 60 MB file. Now let's install it. Install the file. Next, who reads those documentation? Next, the folder release. I had already Git, but I have uninstalled it. I'm going to restore. That's why it's asking. But if you haven't installed Git at the first time, this won't pop. Not going to do anything here. Let it be default. Okay. Okay. Okay, you don't need to worry about these setups. And it will install now. It will install in a bit. Sorry, done the process. Now let's open Git Bash. In here, let's say Git version. Yeah, now we can see the Git version. It means it's been installed. Now we can check for Git if it works or not by using. Let's open the PowerShell and do something. Let's say I want to get a particular repository. This is my GitHub page. In here, in repositories, I have let's say a Java clock. In here, now I want to clone this file or copy this file. I could either download the code as a zip and extract it, but there is another method. You can see in this HTTPS, there is this code Java clock. Copy it, turn it. Now it's in the direction of user. This is my username, fruitcake. And now I want to copy this particular program inside that folder. Now let's type git clone, paste. It will clone the file. Once it's been done, you can here you can see Java clock. It's been copied. It's simple as that. If you have any question, please make sure to comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.